Welcome back to GenAI Explained Simply. In today's episode, Prompt Engineering for Decision Making, AI as a Problem Solver. We delve into how to craft prompts that empower AI to assist in complex decision-making processes. This session will equip you with strategies to utilize AI not just as a tool for executing tasks, but as an integral part of your decision-making team. We begin by understanding the type of information AI needs to help make informed decisions. For example, if you're using AI to help decide on marketing strategies, a well-crafted prompt might be: Analiza the performance data of our last 3 marketing campaigns focusing on customer engagement and sales growth and suggest which type of campaign we should prioritize for the upcoming holiday season. This prompt clearly directs the AI to analyze specific data and make recommendations based on that analysis. Next, we'll explore how to set up scenarios in your prompts that allow AI to consider various outcomes and their potential impacts. For instance, you can ask, what would be the expected impact on production efficiency and employee satisfaction if we implement a 4-day work week? By framing your prompt to request analysis of multiple factors, you guide the AI to provide a comprehensive view that considers both immediate and long-term effects. We also cover the importance of incorporating qualitative and quantitative data in your prompts. For effective decision-making, AI needs a balanced view that includes hard data and human-centered insights. A prompt like evaluate the customer feedback from our new product launch survey and quantify how sentiments and negative responses could be mitigated by proposed product adjustments can be very effective. In addition to specific scenarios, we'll discuss how to use AI for ongoing decision support through continuous feedback loops. This involves setting up prompts that enable AI to monitor data over time and update its recommendations accordingly, such as continuously analyze customer support tickets for this quarter and report bi-weekly on emerging issues and potential solutions. As we conclude today's episode, remember that the key to leveraging AI in decision-making is to craft prompts that are not only specific and data-informed, but also structured to facilitate comprehensive analysis and iterative learning. Thank you for joining me on GenAI Explained Simply. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more practical insights on how to harness the power of AI to make smarter decisions faster. See you next